Hey guys, the purpose of this video today is to show you how to easily fix the Teams bug. So what is the Teams bug? Well, anybody that's tried to log out of Teams and tried to log back into Teams with a different account knows that when you do that, it throws an error and says that different account is not part of the original domain you were logged into. This is a common issue and one that probably is Googled way too much. How do you circumvent this easily? Well, it's actually relatively easy to do. It's just a pain in the neck, so I'm going to walk you through the step to do it. Really, it's only like maybe 4 steps. The first step is we're going to uninstall Teams. Assuming that you use the snap installer, it's just sudo snap remove Teams for Linux, and then hit enter. It may prompt you to log in. If you do, just authenticate and remove Teams for Linux. Once this is removed, what's going to happen now is we're going to have to clear the cache. Now, the reason why we have to remove it first is because if you don't remove it, you clear the cache, then for whatever reason, because it's locked by the process, it just does not work. So uninstall it first. After you uninstall it, it's really pretty straightforward. It's just rm space rf or dash rf, sorry. Then it's the tilde /dot config /teams, and then hit enter. That's removed the Teams cache. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to change Teams to Microsoft with a capital /Microsoft again with a capital / and then Teams with a capital, and hit enter. Now we've removed both the Microsoft cache for the authentication and the Teams cache for the settings. Once you do that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually reinstall the Teams application. And to do that, just sudo snap install Teams for Linux and hit enter. And now the system will reinstall the Teams application. And once this is installed, that cache has been cleared, you'll be fine to log into a different domain. And unfortunately, this is the easiest way that I've found to do this, where you can do it over and over and over again and log in and out of different companies and control different Teams configurations from a single location. Again, I don't know why this exists. I assume it's a bug in the application that needs to be worked through. But for the time being, this is the easiest way that I've found, at least, that this works to allow you to clear the cache. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. I'll add all this detail inside the description. Like and subscribe for more videos. You guys have a good day.